Okay, welcome to our live compatibility test for brokers. This is part number 3 and maybe the last part of this. We'll tell you why as I go along here, but what we're going to do is we're going to have to get into the actual programming here to discover what this is about is how or why different brokers aren't trading and some are trading, and what the differences might be between demo accounts and the test modes versus the live trading. This is what we're trying to get at here. And to do that, uh, actually, I did have to modify the MTA basic down to a what I might call a primitive level, and then start building up. Because what happens is certain codes or coding constructs don't seem to register with some brokers where they do in others, and they do in all test modes. Like this expert worked fine in all historic test modes, but when we put it in a live mode, we came up with some things that the live settings didn't like, and one of them was this currency pair input. This all these external inputs are what you'll see in the properties screen, and this particular input I included. What it does is it restricts you from trading on any pair other than the one you specify in the currency pair to trade here. The reason that I included this is when you get to trading various experts, and with this, or well, with various experts, and with this particular expert, it's designed to kind of speed up the process of trading multiple pairs at the same time. We can see here I have the GBP, USD, the euro, the euro pound, and the Audi US dollar. Now, these are considered as major. This is considered as a crossing pair, but it has in the past been quite lucrative in the way of pips that it moves. But you can see here, I want to show you this, that these pairs against the dollar, the euro, the 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 pound, you see the chart looks almost exactly the same, and the almost identical in performance. We can trade these all at the same time. In fact, we can look for leaders in these three. This is one of the trading strategies I use. One of these will break out, and then the other ones will tend to follow. In this case, sometimes the pound is the leader. In this case, we might be the Audi is definitely now showing the strong downtrend. So usually what will happen is the rest of them will all follow suit. But each one will have maybe different characteristics where you want to set uh, different stop losses, different take profits, use the different entry strategies, and so forth. And you don't want to get the wrong one on the right pair and then have it doing what you don't want it to do. So what this code would do is just prevent, if you got this pound expert on the euro, it just wouldn't trade. But also this um, this code is used where you want to trade when you want to trade multiple pairs out of the same expert. You have to somehow the detect what expert you want to trade, and you do that with the symbol here. You say I want to trade on this symbol or that symbol, and what symbol is on this chart or that symbol. And without something is going to tell you what the symbol is, you can't designate where you want to be. So if they have disabled this, which I first picked it up on FX Open, disabled it. We can see here, this is the IBFX version. IBFX, we had to, it does detect it, has no problem with it, except we had to put this little M back here, which IBFX does on their minis. This is one of the deals I talked about, special coding required for their accounts only. And this is one of the little things they do on their minis that necessitates that type of extra programming. So this coding was a problem. We also had problems in executing some of the moving average data, in that it was slow to pick that up. I use a multiple entry format that's not in this program. I had to dump that and bring it right down in here into the ordering processing. This makes it a lot faster. We're testing out the switch case programs to see, the operators, to see if that's going to work in here, and so far it's not doing too badly. But there's 3 different entries that we can use here: a bid price over the close 1, a close 0 over the close 1, a fast over the slow cross, and this is our default on a bid price over the close 1. These are very, very fast entries. As soon as you push this button, you're going to get an order up here on the screen, and that's what we want with this particular expert. We want real fast execution. When I see this trend breaking out, I want to push that button and away I go. Now all of these live accounts I have up and running are working. We see the euro and the pound are both executed, and we could include the Audi or whatever other experts we wanted to execute on with this program as it is on these particular platforms. Now, I want to get this pair detection back into the other programs, and all I know so far for sure is FX Open will not detect it. I'm not sure if the other ones will, but we're going to be gradually working into that. And the next videos, what we're gonna do is take this expert and develop it into a self-sustaining type of expert, and we're gonna go through that process of testing on live accounts and developing the whole strategy on this, and so you can see what that is all about. We're looking a little more at the programming and layouts and all that other kind of stuff too. I use what's called conventional programming. All you expert programmers out there will see I don't compact my codes. I leave them open so I can follow what they're doing. It's very simple. Everything is in the flow. I only have one global function, and that's a close all order. Everything else is in the loop, and it works very, very quickly that way. This global thing about speed I do not buy. So that's all I'm going to say about that for now. But everything is working. We're going to try to make some money with this, and I might make another video on how it's working. But this is not an expert that has a strategy built into it. This is a manually executed strategy. So I executed these orders when I saw this downturn breaking out, and we're going to run it through this first order, and that'll be about it. So thank you for watching.